What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got kind of a special one because I actually have 3 different products here. First thing I want to show you guys is the GrimmSpeed V2 Turbo Heat Shield. So let's get these things unboxed. Let's talk a little bit about these heat shields and what makes them different. Well, they've improved fitment and thermal characteristics. And what I mean by thermal characteristics is heat. Basically keeping heat where it belongs and out of where it doesn't belong, which I'll get to here in just a second. Fitment wise, this is basically going to fit any EJ Turbo Subaru. So your Foresters, Legacy GTs, WRXs, STIs, I'm sure I'm missing some other ones, you name it. As long as it's got an EJ with a turbo, this will probably fit. So it's designed to fit most aftermarket turbos, of course with the stock turbo as well, and most downpipes, including the stock downpipe. Now with that revised fitment, it gives you a lot more opportunity. So if you do run a larger aftermarket turbo, an aftermarket downpipe, you can still have the benefits of a proper heat shield, which are massive. For example, this heat shield alone is going to give you like a 10% increase over the factory heat shield. Then you move on to this beautiful piece here, ceramic coated, beautiful black color. You get a few percent extra over this one. Now, really, if it's more of an aesthetics thing, you want the kind of raw metal look of this, just go with this one. Much better than stock. But if you really care about, keeping heat where it belongs, keeping your engine bay temperatures to a minimum, keeping your, top mount intercooler temperatures as cold as possible, this is the one you want. And with that, GrimmSpeed goes even further in heat management because this is their brand new Reflected Gold Turbo Heat Shield kit. Now this is cut out specifically to fit underneath these. This is basically a heat shield or a heat radiant shield where it's going to take all that heat and basically blast it right back down into the turbo where it belongs. Now if you combine this along with their ceramic coated heat shield, you get something like a 17% increase in thermal management over the factory heat shield, which is incredibly massive. Now it's all about heat management. If you own a Subaru, you totally understand. When you're sitting in traffic or you've just come off a hot lap out at your local track day, you know how blasting hot that engine bay can get. That heat has to go somewhere, and unfortunately your intercooler, as good as it is at dissipating heat and keeping the charge temperatures cold, as a byproduct, it also absorbs heat just as quickly. And so by having proper heat management in place, which these turbo heat shields are by far the easiest and best thing you can do, then you pair that with something like this, well, you are getting significant reduction in heat that's being transferred into the intercooler. And that means colder charge temperatures, which means more power, more efficiency, and a safer engine all around. This is a fantastic product. GrimmSpeed has absolutely knocked it out of the park with this one. Truly beautiful. This ceramic coated one, this one has my heart. If you're a classic type of person, this raw metal one is absolutely beautiful. Love the GrimmSpeed logo laser etched in there. GrimmSpeed just kills it. Anyway, if you guys want one, check out the link down below. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box, guys. See you on the next one.